Hello everyone, welcome to the Meg Draft and Strength. This is my first ever video, and the topic of my video is why engineering drawing is so important, why every engineers need to understand it. Okay, so let's start with our topic. We always see the machines are there, buildings are there, big bridges are there, and always wonder about how engineers turn ideas into real. And the answer of that is engineering drawing. Without engineering drawing, we can't turn our ideas into the real. And the next question arises, what is engineering drawing? Engineering drawing में क्या रहता है? There are the dimensions are there, then the tolerances are there are the views, there is front view, top view, side view. These are the views. Means what is engineering drawing? It is a detailed communication tool that includes dimensions, material, tolerance, views, etc. Second point is what? Why it is so important. So now, imagine karo. Just imagine that I'm explaining you the one manufacturing part in words. Okay, and it is very confusing to visualize, right? But if I give you the engineering drawing of that particular part, then it eliminates all the confusion because it provides a clear visual instruction manual. The third point is about how the dimensions may affect, or the error in dimensions may affect the function of the part. Suppose if we want to make a hole on a particular position, and if we make that hole 1 mm off, then it affect the function or disturb the function of that part. So drawing must include the exact dimensions, so it helps manufacturer to produce the part accurately. Fourth point is about language. No matter where an engineer is from, India, Germany, Japan, they all understand the standardized symbols and the views. So engineering drawing, it is truly a global language. These are the points which are considered in engineering drawing. So either you want to design a gear, or design a car engine, or either a assembly of a ball pen. So engineering drawing is the heart of all. Without engineering drawing, you can't convert your ideas into real, or you can't manufacture a part. So if you are an engineering student, then engineering drawing is non-negotiable. So you have to study it, you have to understand it, and it is very easy, not difficult. So this is all about my first topic. Hope you like the short session on engineering drawing, why it is so important. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to the Meg Draft.